Can you see yourself in the 2018 INFINITI Q50? With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Elevate your daily drive in this luxurious and athletic Q50. Sleek and upscale, this well-appointed sports sedan offers the highly satisfying ride you've been waiting for. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, satellite radio, multi-zone AC. You deserve the luxury this Q50 has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.